They are free today. My father was with me. They are coming back. Her father is a doctor. Girls are not playing. It is simple story. My pen writes well. She will call all of us. This knife is not sharp. My uncle has a red car.
Work hard to get good marks. He can swim